Okay, folks, that last one cut us off right at the end, and I'm going to go into example 2 in just a minute. But whenever I want to then write what it comes out to as a perfect square, it's whatever I got when I divided the middle term by 2. So this is just x minus 9 over 2 squared. This one over here was x plus 7, 14 divided by 2. Okay? That's it. And then it makes it a perfect square. That's great because then I can take the square root of it. All right? Let's look at example 2. And then we may get a better sense of why we're doing this, what we can do with it. Okay? Oh, nice. Nice. This is a good one. This is an easy one. This is an easy one. Okay? Now, this says solve x squared minus 3x minus 18 equals 0. Okay, they want us to solve it by completing the square. Okay? So I'm going to start with x squared minus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. Now that's not a perfect square. Negative 18 is not a perfect square. So I don't like that number. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add 18 to both sides and get rid of it. I'm going to put it on the other side. So now that's going to give me x squared minus 3x plus something equals 18 plus something. Because remember, if I add something to one side, I'm going to have to add it to the other. Okay? Now, this stuff over here in blue, let's forget about that for a moment. Go back to example number 1. Do you see how in example number 1, this part right here, x squared plus 14x plus question mark, do you see how that looks like what we're doing right here? X squared minus 3x plus blank. We want to make it a perfect square. Okay. Ellie, what do I do to find out what goes back here? Divide what by 2? All right, so I'm going to divide, not negative 3x, just negative 3, just the number. I'm going to divide that by 2. Okay. Now, before I move on, what is this over here going to be as a perfect square? Before I go anywhere, remember what we talked about in that last example. Boyd, what's it going to be as a perfect square? Perfect. X minus 3 over 2 squared. Okay, I'm just going to leave that there because we're going to reuse it in just a minute. Okay? But remember, I'm putting something in this blank over here. I'm adding something to this. So I'm going to have to do it to the other side as well. What am I adding back here? What is minus 3 over 2 squared? What is that, Grayson? 9 over 4. All right, so I'm adding 9 over 4. Now, Libby, if I add 9 over 4 here, you know I have to add 9 over 4 here.
Yeah, because it's algebra.
It's algebra. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Good job, Libby. All right? Now, over here on the left, this is why we did the whole thing. X minus 3 over 2 squared. Right? Because minus 3 over 2 squared gives me positive 9 over 4. And negative 3 over 2 plus negative 3 over 2 gives me negative 6 over 2, which is negative 3, where I was at the beginning.
How about that?
That's awesome. Now, thank goodness we went to 4th grade, because we need to add 18 and 9 over 4. What do I need to do in order to add those two numbers? What do I need, Marness? Common denominator. What is the common denominator? 4. Okay? The second fraction doesn't change at all. It was 9 over 4. What do I get on top of that first fraction? Instead of 18 over 1, what is it over 4?
72.
72, I think. Oh. Teacher. Cameron, you see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying, Cameron? So now I've got x. Oh, I'm running out of time. I'll see you in a sec.